Hi, kindergarten friends. Miss Scarborough again. Today we're going to do lowercase b, so I'm going to model it for you, and then you'll go off and do it on your own and post a picture of it to your seesaw. All right. This one has 2 strokes. We're going to pull down straight, and then we're going to go back to the little kind of where it connects and circle right. Pull down straight. Circle right. Make sure that you're sitting bottom to bottom, back to back, and you have your pencil holding the correct way. Pull down straight. Circle right. Pull down straight. Circle right. Go ahead and finish tracing those. When you get down to this row, remember that the green dots are where they want you to start. So you're only going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lowercase b's on this line. Don't try to space them all right next to each other. Start at the green dot, pull down straight, circle right. You're making a whole circle. Pull down straight, circle right. Pull down straight, circle right. Make sure that you are staying within the blue and the red line and that you're taking your time so that it doesn't look like this. Okay, that is not correct. I'm going to pull down straight. We're going to stop at the red line. I'm going to go back to the middle, make a circle. Pull down straight, go back to the middle, make a circle. You're going to finish the 3rd row by yourself. Then down here it says circle the pictures that begin with the letter B. So they've given you a picture, but they've also labeled it for you. Okay, so you're looking at the first letter. Does it start with a B? If it does, they want you to circle it. So you're going to circle the whole picture if it starts with the letter B. At the bottom, I see 1, 2, 3 black lines where they're missing the letter lowercase b. So you're going to draw it or write it on the black line and then finish tracing the rest of the letters. So there's going to be a lowercase b here, a lowercase b here. When you're finished, check on your work. Go back and circle the b that you thought was the best and put an X on the one that you think maybe next time you can practice a little bit harder. This is page 13, lowercase b. Good luck!